Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti this side, and today in this video I will be showing you how to achieve this eye makeup. So this is one of my favorite eye makeup that I like to do if I need to go dramatic, and favorite smoky purple eye look is one of my favorite. Oh, and by the way, I filmed this few days before I got married, so this is kind of like an old footage of few months old. So I finally got the time now to edit and upload, so I really hope you all like this tutorial. So first I like to start by doing my eyebrows. I have already prepped up my skin with face wash, moisturizer. For my eyebrows, I love using this Benefit Cosmetics brow pomade, and it's one of my favorite. It really survives the hot summer months in Delhi, and if it's hot and humid or sweaty kind of weather, that particular eyebrow product is the product to go for. And then after that, I'm just using the K Beauty concealer to use it as a base for the eye makeup. And once I've applied that, I'm using the K Beauty eyeshadow palette. All the information will be mentioned down below in the description box. And then I like to go with this particular shade and apply it around my crease area. You can use any brown matte shade. So after I'm done applying this around my crease, I like to then use the eyeshadow blending brush, which is slightly fluffier brush, and I like to use that just to blend out the harsh lines. As you can see, I just keep on blending. That is the key. So keep on practicing and make sure that you take out the time to keep on blending it. And once you learn the art of blending, then any kind of eye makeup you do, it's just gonna look like it's professionally done. So that's the key. Have patience and keep on blending. After that, I'm using a black kajal by Purple. You can use any brand of kajal. So I'm using this. It should be creamy, but at the same time should dry fast. So very quickly I am blending the kajal that I've applied, just to give a nice messy smoky effect. And do not worry how it looks right now, because we're going to be using this particular black shade as a base for the purple eyeshadow. Since my eyelids are super oily, I like to use some kind of a base. So this is one of my favorite techniques in order to make any vibrant glittery eyeshadow to last long. So that's why I like to keep on using this particular technique for any kind of smoky eye look for myself. And after that, I will be using the NK Birthday Cake eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette because of the purple glittery shade which is available, as you can see in this palette. So this palette, I mostly use that shade or the blue glittery shade. So this purple shade, all you need to do is use your fingertips in order to gently apply it on your eyelids. And when you use this particular technique of applying any kind of a kajal as a base, black kajal, then apply this particular shade, then as you can see, the color really pops out, and that's what I love about it. And off camera, I've already applied falsies. So after applying falsies, I'm applying foundation. I'm using the K Beauty liquid foundation. I'll mention all the shade names in the description box down below of what all products I'm using and their shades. And after that, I will be applying the K Beauty concealer. You guys must be wondering why I'm using so many K Beauty products. It's just that I am currently loving Katrina Kaif's makeup brand. I'm loving it a lot, and I managed to end up getting some more K Beauty products for myself when I was doing my bridal makeup shopping. So that was a great excuse in order to add some more new products into my makeup kit. And yeah, I love using makeup brushes in order to apply base makeup. It's one of my favorite. I feel it's fuss free, easy to clean, and rather than using a beauty sponge. And this Sugar Cosmetics face contour palette is one of my favorite. As you can see, I've used this like so much that you can see how much I've used it, because it looks so messy, the palette. I love their blush and the highlighter shade which is available in this palette. And whenever I apply blush in order to blend out the harsh color of the pink shade, I like to use a different, like a foundation kind of a brush in order to, you know, just blend it all out, just like how you blend out the eyeshadow around the crease area, kind of like that. And then I'm using an highlighter brush in order to apply the highlighter. After that, applying the kajal around my water eyeline. I am using the same kajal which I applied as a base for my eyelid. So after that, I'm using a blending eyeshadow brush in order to blend out the kajal so that it gives more of a smoky eye look. Once I'm done blending the harsh lines around the water eyeline where I've drawn the kajal, in order to blend it all out, it gives a very nice smoky eye effect. And in order to set the creamy kajal, I'm going back and using a pink color eyeshadow and using that just to set the creamy eyeliner, and at the same time give a nice sexy purpley black smoky eye effect look to match with the purple eyeshadow shade which we had applied in the beginning. So guys, you can use this particular technique in order to apply any of your favorite eyeshadow color. It's not important that you only use purple eyeshadow and match it with pink. You can use it with dark greens with light greens, or dark blues with light blues, you know, and create your version of a sexy smoky eye look. To set my base, I've used the K-Beauty loose powder, and for the lipstick, I've used matte lipstick in the shade Mehr. And voila, this is the look. Very sexy purple smoky eye look, matching with nude lipstick of your choice. So you can create this look. You can use the same techniques and use any of your favorite eyeshadow color, match it with that depending on the color of your outfits and all that. And I really hope that you guys really like this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your loved ones.